Good morning, my friends.
Good morning, everybody.
So we are heading north today up to Rainbow River.
Rainbow River, we are.
Which will eventually hit Rainbow Springs, hopefully.
Yep, and we got Mac in the back.
Yep. And little Skyler here, sleeping.
She's an adventure dog, but she's
always sleeping. So this will be her first, real trip on the boat.
Yes.
So.
Yes, and we have tubed Rainbow River a lot, but we've never taken the Gheenoe.
Yeah.
So, first time.
First time.
Should be fun.
All right, come join us. We'll see you there.
Let's go.
So it's not a boating day trip if we don't stop for McDonald's breakfast. So we are putting in at Dunnellon City Hall boat ramp. It's actually right behind City Hall. It's a nice little free boat ramp. They have they say online they have about 20 spaces for trailers plus overflow. So not a bad place. It's very pretty. This is the beautiful Rainbow River. And Skyler is just watching the water go by. She thinks that's pretty cool. What do you think, Sky? That's the first time she's got up there. Where are you going? So there's a sign there. It says unlawful to have alcohol or food or beverage in disposable containers. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but we had to put everything in non-disposable containers today. Look at that cool tree growing right in the middle of the river.
Cypress.
Is it? Yep. So I guess she likes to try to drink the water. This is fresh water, so I guess we can let her do that. Joel was worried that we wouldn't make it under here. You got about a foot or two for your hat.
Thank you, Lord.
All right, we put our new umbrella up. It is made by TaylorMade. I believe it's the Anchor 2?
I think so.
But look, now we have shade. So the umbrella does give me a little less of a gorgeous view. I got straps in my picture now. But these houses along here are just beautiful. I'll take one, Joel.
All right. I'll put it underneath the Christmas tree.
Okay, please do. I gave Skyler my chair, my beanbag chair. I think she kind of likes it.
She is spoiled.
I called her my queen, sitting on her throne.
Pretty much.
Again, sorry for the straps in the video. So Skyler seems to be okay with this boating experience. She's just sleeping there. Oh, did you hear me? Sleeping at at our feet. Hi. It's beautiful out here, isn't it?
Beautiful. Yeah.
So this is how clear the water is. That is actually the green grass that's probably, what, 4 or 5 feet down?
4 or 5 feet.
4 or 5 feet under the water. So if you watch any of our videos, you will know that Joel loves his music and his gadgets to go with his music. So he wants to show you his new
So one of the problems is when my phone is in this holder, my phone's in the holder, I can't reach the volume buttons. They're covered up by the little things that hold the phone. So I got this little Bluetooth remote that holds on via a little bracket and a magnet. And I can raise volume, lower volume, pause, all from right here. It's great. And I would show you how it works, but we can't play music.
But when we play music, then we get copyright infringements. And then if you scoot over just a little, Joel, don't move your leg. There's the speaker. So it sounds good when we're not on video.
Yeah, so now I can just really quickly raise the volume up and down, pause, fast forward, right there.
All right. Awesome. We will put a link below if anybody wants to look at it. So because we can't bring disposable stuff on the river, we bought these cool little things to put our, it's called a sub, I don't know what it was called, sub container, and it screws on. You can fit a foot-long sub in there. I gave Joel his already. And then my sub's in here, and it's all, I already took a bite. But it is all contained and it is not soggy. So we are officially in the area where all of the tubers are. So we're having to, this is a weekday, so there's not as many tubers and kayakers, but still quite a few we're having to maneuver around. So that over there with the loud mower is where the campground where, yes, where everybody goes in. So now every place after this should not have any tubers because we are going against current. Look at those houses over there. And so now I think we'll just mostly have kayakers and paddleboarders, and hopefully we can get to a point we can get out at some point. How clear this water is now. And you have a sandy bottom. It's beautiful. So as beautiful as it looks up there, apparently as soon as you hit the Rainbow Springs State Park again, there's a sign here that says, in order to protect this natural wonder, motors must be turned off and raised up out of the water. So I guess we are not going any further. We are not gonna make it to the springs. There's some other rules and regulations there too. I will let you read that. But we're gonna turn around and head back, and still looking for a place to get out for a little bit. So here's the Gheenoe with the umbrella up, so you can see the whole thing instead of me sitting on it. And we have actually anchored here, and we're gonna go into this little area that is like a little inlet that we can walk, and I don't know. I think there's a spring at the end, but I don't think you can get there. We'll go see. So we're gonna walk Skyler in because it's a little deep.
Oh,
yes, it's past my belly button. Hi, we found a friend. So what we've heard is that if you go down about 3/4 mile down this, what do you call this? Creek? Sure.
Tributary?
Tributary. Then we will get to a private spring that somebody has blocked off, but legally they can't block it off from people. So you could go all the way down if you wanted to, but we're just gonna go a little ways. Right, Skyler? She's still not sure if she wants to try to swim or not.
She seems okay though.
Yeah?
She's not shaking, she's not scared.
Jill's just carrying Skyler. She doesn't really care. She's just hanging out.
We gotta stop feeding her. She's heavy.
All right, Skyler's gonna swim to me. Come on, baby. Or just kind of hold her, yeah? Here we go.
I'm going to the boat is where I'm going. Skyler, are you giving mommy kisses?
Oh, now she's deciding to chew my fingers.
Oh my God.
You smell like wet dog.
Oh no.
Yes, you do. You smell like wet dog. You are a wet dog. Well, good thing we're turning around, because there's some dark clouds behind you, Joel. Okay, now it's raining. We had to take the umbrella down because it was too windy. So I'm not sure if these straw hats of ours are gonna make it through the through the rain, but it's cold out here now. We said we had till 2 o'clock, and then it was gonna rain, and it's like 2:15. Oh, 2:40. So summertime. Note to self: be off the water by 2. right, it's coming down pretty good now. Skyler doesn't really care for it either. So this is Swampy's on the river. We were gonna stop there, but with this thunder and lightning, it's probably not a good idea. But it's a great place to eat. We've been there once before. You can put your boat up to it as well. Skyler was wet and cold, so when she jumped up on my lap, was shivering, and she's getting better now, but it was thundering and lightning there for a little while. The rain has stopped, but it's still thundering around us, so we're anxious to get into the car. Just a little bit further. We made it back safe and sound. The current is really strong. Okay, I guess I'll come down and help. Yay, we made it off the river without getting hit by lightning.
No lightning strikes, at least for us.
Yes.
So, but a great day. What a fantastic river Rainbow River is.
Yeah. That was the first time we had been boating on it.
And it is idle speed the entire way, so if you're in a hurry, that is not a trip for you.
When it started raining, I was like, go a little faster, go, but we can't go any faster.
And Skyler is once again sleeping. So
she was a good girl on the boat.
She was great.
So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. And we love to hear from everybody, so feel free to leave a comment below. And we'll catch you on our next adventure.
Yeah.
All right?
Make it a glorious day.
Have a glorious day. Bye, guys.